Hello, here is DateMyAge app. So let's just tap get to install it. And yep, then you can just use your Touch ID or Face ID to install the app. And here you can see that the size of the app is like 130 megabytes. And this is the app which can help you to find friendship and love, communicate in easy way, see each other live, share your photos and videos. And this app is specifically for mature singles aged 40 and over. So that's about it. And there's 1 million plus member with real life experience. And that's the niche of this app. You know, if you're not successful on Tinder or Bumble or Badoo, you can try to use this app. Yeah, maybe it's better for you. Then you can go premium for only $24.99 per month. So there you have it. You have 5,900 ratings, 4.2 out of 5 average rating. So then I can just open it up. It wants to send me some notifications, and that's basically it. So now I have all these profiles, and then when I install in the app, I just have anonymous account. So if I want to sign up, I can just sign up with Google, email, or Apple, and then I just continue with Touch ID, and then I can just sign up there. So there you have it. Now, yep, there it is. Now you can add photos. You can add your name and all of that.